Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Shelf Picks. Today we've got a super useful product for all you BBQ lovers and home cooks out there. This is the AWLKIM Meat Thermometer, an essential tool for perfecting every dish you grill, bake, or roast. And don't forget, the link to this product is in the description below, so be sure to check it out after the video. So, what makes this AWLKIM Meat Thermometer stand out? Let's take a closer look. First, it's digital and super easy to use. With just a press of a button, you can measure temperatures ranging from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it's perfect for grilling, baking, deep frying, and even candy making. This bright backlit display is great for low-light environments, like when you're grilling at night or cooking indoors in a dimly lit kitchen. And get this, it provides accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, let's put it to the test. I've got a couple of juicy steaks on the grill. One of the biggest challenges when grilling is making sure your meat is cooked to the perfect temperature, without having to guess or cut it open. As you can see, all it takes is a quick insertion, and within seconds you get an accurate temperature. For medium rare, you're aiming for about 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. There it is. Perfect medium rare, just how I like it. And since the probe is so thin, it doesn't leave huge puncture marks in your food, so it looks great for serving. One of the best features of this thermometer is its IP67 waterproof rating. You can rinse it underwater for quick cleaning without worrying about damaging it. Plus, it has an auto shut-off feature to save battery life, so it turns off after 10 minutes of no use. Oh, and speaking of the battery, it even comes with an extra one in the box, so you're covered for a while. Whether you're a pro chef or just someone who loves cooking at home, the AWLKIM Meat Thermometer really takes the guesswork out of getting the perfect doneness for your meals. It's reliable, easy to use, and durable. Plus, it's compact, so it fits right into your kitchen drawer or apron pocket when you're grilling outdoors. So if you're looking to up your cooking game or simply want to avoid overcooking your meals, I highly recommend giving the AWLKIM Meat Thermometer a try. Again, the link is in the description below, so check it out and grab yours today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Shelf Picks for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Like, comment, subscribe for more.